So my name is Diraj, and I work for Tigera. We are the inventor and the maintainer of Project Calico, which is the largest container networking and security open source project out there. So today we are hosting our CalicoCon 2024, in which there are many sessions with respect to what are the latest innovations with Calico, which has happened over the last few years with respect to eBPF, VPP, Linux, Windows Data Plane, and also we are getting some of the advanced users to learn the advanced concepts on the container networking and security with Calico, and then also giving hands-on experience to the beginners who learn about how to start their journey with respect to Kubernetes and the networking in it. We were looking for a platform for all these users, not to run into about the setups, the user experience, maintenance or gotchas of running a lab, all that being removed, and then also have easy to consume modules with respect to all type of training. So if someone is in the beginner side, they can start there. If someone wants to jump into advanced track, they can go into that one in the workshop itself. And that's where Instruqt has come handy for us. We had all our labs prepared in Instruqt. We had all the interactivity, all the visual slides, everything as one package within Instruqt. And we just launched it here, the tracks, and people are just going through it right away. There is nothing about like, okay, I can't go to this website, download these libraries, I can't go and connect this integration is not working. I have to look into slides, I have to look into the code, I have to look into the environment. That is nothing there. It's just one clean experience. Let's remove the constraints for all our prospects or the Kubernetes users to learn the container networking concepts, learn about Calico in like 20-minute, 30-minute modules to go through it quickly and be done with it. Yeah, we have slides, we have white papers, we have webinars, everyone has it. But if you tell them like, this is a 30-minute module, build that out in Instruqt and then just put that track in there and they will literally go through that experience. One thing which Instruqt has provided very well for us, that you don't need to have people create their username, password and whatever it is and then build their own Instruqt information. It's just the form, and we are able to get all that information back into our Marketo, Salesforce and all those places also. That has worked out very well, like to look at how people have taken their journey. Analytics, which is really powerful within Instruqt itself, that helps us quite a bit. There has been approximately 1,000 plays or tracks which has happened in last year. We are happy with it.